Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for northern Patrick County in southwest
First one of the day.
Central Floyd County in southwest Virginia until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 3:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Buffalo Ridge or near Woolwine, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Buffalo Ridge, Woolwine, Charity. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-sized hail and destructive straight-line winds. When it is safe to do so, please relay your severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northwestern North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northwestern North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for west central Virginia and southeast West Virginia.